Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this little posting by EV Top Cars. So basically, what we're seeing here is a Tesla Model Y, the refresh model that we've been known about, and it's called Juniper. So according to this one, it has a 26% bigger battery, and it's going to have like over 500-mile range, and then ventilated seats, which is nice. As you can see from the back right here, the light, like, it goes across like a bar light, really nice. And you can see the wheel, like the induction 20-inch wheel, is still the same, right? But let's read about this. So the upcoming Tesla Model Y Juniper is set to feature the groundbreaking 95 kilowatt hours battery pack, offering an impressive 500-mile range on a single charge. This advancement not only boosts the Model Y's driving distance, but also cements Tesla's position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. This incredible range means fewer stops for charging and more time enjoying the ride. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or just looking for a reliable daily driver, the Model Y Juniper promises to deliver unmatched performance and convenience. So, as far as with range Y, I have a Model Y 2023, and I took it to Vegas, and I didn't have any issue with it because when you program your destination in your Tesla, it will set and where to charge and when to charge, and because Tesla has there's a supercharger network, so it's along the way, along the freeway. You don't even have to drive farther, you know what I mean? So it's set, it preconditioned the battery, everything is done for you. I think I only charged like twice, and when I got to Vegas, it's just like so many chargers out there that you can charge. Pretty much like within 5 minutes, there's a charger that you can charge. So charging is not an issue, but we cannot say no to bigger batteries, right? And more range, right? Because check this out, 95 kilowatt. So if I just do a quick Google search about the Model Y that I have, and it's 75 kilowatt hours. And with the new ones, it's going to be 95, so 20 more kilowatt hours, which is awesome, right? So this is more like in the range of the Lucid one, and the Lucid is very expensive. I know they're very efficient, but Tesla is getting there, and if they 500-mile range, I think it's gonna help out a lot because my brother and my brother-in-law, they both bought the Tesla maybe a year or 2 years before me. I was very hesitant on about the range wise, and where am I gonna charge, right? But now if with 500-mile range of charge, it's going to make a lot of customers feel confident that they're not going to be get stranded anywhere out there. So I think this is going to help boost the sales a lot. And then with the refresh model too, that's a plus as well. Ventilated seats, that's awesome. All right. So if you're in the market for the Tesla Model Y, if you can wait, I suggest that you're going to hold on to it and wait until 2025. Maybe give it a couple more months, because I think the refresh model will be coming out, and that way you get a newer model, right? But if you just need a Tesla in the meantime, you can buy it. You can always use my referral code, which is gonna drop, like, we're gonna give you a discount from $1,000 to $2,000 depending on the vehicle that you're purchasing, right? So let's go over some of the comments that some of what people are saying. So I genuinely hope so. Can't wait to get one. So see, good. That's like buying a laptop with a bigger battery. Exactly. I agree with you 100%, right? But the more battery, that means the longer we can use the laptop, the more movies or YouTubes that we can watch, right? So we can't complain about that, as long as the Tesla keeping the price, the same range and not increasing dramatically due to the bigger battery, right? Just wait for around some 10 years to see the side effects of having too much electric radiations around. So is it a 26% bigger heavy battery, or replacing the existing lithium-ion batteries with the batteries incorporating the new dry process electrode batteries? Same size, but weight about 30% better range. So that they improve on the suspension. So with the since this person mentioned about suspension, I want to talk a little about like the ride in my Tesla Model Y. And to me, the PSIs, the Tesla recommended for Model Y is 42 PSI for both front and back. And when I put put it this, the exactly 42 psi, every little bumps I go over, you can really feel the car, and it's like really bouncy. So what I did was just lowered like to 39 psi for all around, and oh my god, the smoothness and the bumpy, it decreased a lot. So if you don't believe me, don't take my words for it. Just have it like at 39 psi, and you're gonna feel the difference. Because every time when I did the tire rotations, I feel like, okay, you got to, fill it up like the manufacturer suggested, which is 42 psi. And even my kids, my wife say, hey, how come the ride is so bumpy, right? But when I lower it to 39, very smooth, very nice, right? So, all right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on how to buy a Tesla or any information, financings, anything like that, feel free to leave a comment below. And feel free to use my referral code, all right? Thank you very much. Be safe. Till next time.